Wow, oh wow, where do we start with this? Absolutely incredible find. This is Mercedes C220 CDI Blue Tech AMG Premium Plus. Totally cherished car. Bought direct from the last family. Incredible low mileage of just 7771. What a beauty. £4,400 worth of factory fitted options, finished in diamond silver metallic. Of course, the AMG just sets the car off. Full glass panoramic sunroof as well. This really is a one-off. 2014 on a 14 plate. Serviced 5 times by Mercedes Benz. It is just beautiful. Electric boot opening. All the loading area totally undamaged, absolutely beautiful. Look at that, totally unmarked. Previous owners even put coverings on the floor to protect the carpet. It's got split folding rear seats, 3-load facility. Electric closing boot. The car is just incredible all the way around. You would think it was brand new. It's got these beautiful 5 twin spoke alloy wheels, every single one totally unmarked. All the bodywork, not a mark, not a scratch, not a ding, not a stone chip anywhere in sight. Again, the near side front wheel as new. All matching tyres all the way around. Front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, reverse camera. We'll do the full close-up video to show you we have nothing to hide. Full transparency, just look at it. Not a mark anywhere in sight. Of course, the glass panoramic sunroof, which is tilt and slide. Got keyless entry. Simply put your hand behind the door. As long as the key's in your pocket, you're away. Just look at that beautiful combination. It's got the upgraded full grey leather upholstery. Totally unmarked inside. Lovely combination. It's got the black ash trim as well. That two-tone does set it off nicely. That leather is absolutely beautiful. And of course with the folding rear seats and drops down, gives you massive luggage space there. Very versatile vehicle. Again, just look at those sport seats. Great condition. All as new. Electric seats, memory seats, heated seats. Lovely dash layout. Full command satellite navigation. Dual zone climate control. Stereo CD, analog clock. Nice, lovely clear screen for the satellite navigation. just attention to detail. Everything all controlled from the little module there, your satellite navigation, the Bluetooth, radio, stereo, nice easy clear functions. Of course you can adjust the suspension to get it just perfect, so Sport, Sport Plus, nicely in front of you, or just on the dashboard there, show which mode of suspension you're in. Upgraded stereo system. Sounds just great. Center armrest, USB aux input. And of course the rear camera, making parking that little bit easier for you. Just look at that 7771 flat bottom multifunction sport steering wheel, Bluetooth onboard computer, cruise control, just under there is cruise control, electric steering column adjustment as well, automatic lights, keyless start, auto dimming mirror, automatic wipers, heated seats, electric seats, 3 memory seats. Again, look at that twin combination. What a fabulous combination. Electric blind just to clear any sunlight going in. All nice, clear, smooth finger touch. Slides back, and the beauty of this sunroof, it also opens as well. Not just a glass panoramic roof, but slide and tilt. Beautifully crafted, sheer quality. Just look at that stitching there. Attention to detail. What a beautiful, beautiful car. One owner, 5 service stamps, outstanding condition, many factory fitted options. This is a very unique buy. You've got total closure feature as well. The windows, sunroof are down, simply hold and press the key. Total closure, all the windows, all the sunroof, automatic closes. Electric folding mirrors. So there we have it. Very unique find. This really is a one-off. If you want it, simply give us a call. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 off our website. If you fancy, click and reserve so nobody else beats you to it. Ask about click and collection or ask about home delivery. All is available for any assistance. Simply give us a call on 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Multi-award winning dealer, specialist cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997. And our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen, That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.